Okay, this is my test strip, a piece of the broken plastic. I removed the nodules. I'm going to sand it with 120 sandpaper and scuff it up good. That'll give it some tooth. Then we're going to take some denatured alcohol and wipe it down good. Okay, now I'm going to take 3-hour epoxy. I've got about 45 minutes working time and 3 hours, 2.5 hours before it sets up. So it's not like 5-minute epoxy where you got to hurry. So we're going to give a base coat. This is basic laminating. There's no secret to it. It's not rocket science. And this is, I don't know what kind of plastic this is, but it is not HDPE. So we take a piece of glass. I don't know what weight it is. I'm going to wet it down. This is just a demonstration to do either one that you want to do. But if you wanted to patch, but if you wanted to repair plastic, this is basically what you would do. Now the naysayers out there, they're going to say it can't be done. It can't be done. Well, don't interrupt the guy that's doing it, okay? Then in about 2 days, I'll come back and check it to see how well it does hold. All right, that's for the cloth. And this is the mat. It takes a little bit more work than the cloth, but I like matte. There's just something about it that I like it. I guess it gives the naysayer something to talk about. I don't know. That down a little bit. Now we've got glass and matte, and all of this is available at your local automotive store. Polyester resin is the normal resin for fiberglass work, but it is brittle. It is brittle. I mean, once you get fiberglass cloth or mat and polyester resin together, it is a very robust product when you get it done. In my very personal opinion, epoxy is a little bit more flexible than polyester resin. And there you go. Simple as that. Now, if you wanted to, if you got scraps of glass left over, you can put another piece of glass in there if that makes you sleep better at night. And what we're going to do in about 2 or 3 days is to cut this down the middle on the bandsaw and see which one comes apart the easiest. I've got all the air bubbles out. Put another piece of glass on there just because I've got the resin. And you don't want to build up a thick layer of epoxy. All you want to do is just saturate the material, whether it be glass cloth or glass mat. All you want to do is saturate the material, get all the air out of it. And that's all there is to it. Now, if we were doing big sheets, like on a tabletop or a boat or something like that, we'd have special rollers that we would roll it out with. It's like a small paint roller with grooves on it where you can squish it back and forth and get the air out. All right, that's it. In a couple of days, we'll, probably 3 days, we'll let it set for 3 days, let it cure, and be back. But it takes 3 hours just for it to set up. And it takes 24 hours for it to cure. So I'm going to give it about 72 hours at least, minimum. And then we're going to cut it down the middle and pry it apart. And then that'll be proof in the pudding right there. Okay, this is not HDPE plastic. It's a hard, solid plastic. It reminds me a lot of the old vintage Bakelite. Because it is very, whoops, see, it's very brittle. And it's not HDPE. It's a very hard plastic. So I've got it scuffed down. It's been about 2 days, 2.5 days. So it's saturated good, it appears to be sticking good. So we're going to cut it down the middle and see how well it's adhering. Okay, let's run it through the bandsaw. I got my safety glasses on. Okay, let's go back to the hobby desk. Okay, just for grins and giggles here, this is our test piece. Let's see how the lamination will hold up. Whoa. Well, that's the plastic is breaking, but it's not delaminating. Well, so much for the naysayers. Alright, there was the mat. This is the cloth. Nope, can't get in there either. Well, shoot. Well, it looks like the naysayers can go take a flying leap off of a short pier. You know what I mean? So don't believe everybody when they say negative things. About your projects. So much for the naysayers. Well, I'm sorry, I've got a sloppy, floppy project there, as I was told. Thank y'all for watching. And again, y'all are very much appreciated. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. Yep, it works.